Stop wasting time switching between different AI tools. What if one platform could handle your images, videos, characters, editing, and more, all in one place? That's exactly what we're exploring today. I'll walk you through the platform, create real AI content from scratch, and show you whether it's actually worth using. Let's dive in. So this platform is called OpenArt AI. As soon as you open the dashboard, you can see that everything is organized around content creation. Right at the top, there are different categories like story, video, image, character, and audio. One thing I immediately liked is that the layout feels very beginner-friendly. You don't need to spend time figuring out where things are. Most of the important features are visible right on the homepage. If you're someone who creates content regularly, having everything in one dashboard can save a lot of time. Instead of jumping between different AI tools, you can manage most of your work from a single place. As we scroll down, we can also see examples and templates created by other users, which can be useful if you're looking for inspiration. Overall, the first impression is clean, modern, and easy to understand. Now let's look at the tools section because this is where things start to get interesting. OpenArt includes several built-in AI tools designed for different creative tasks. The first one is Lip Sync Video. This feature allows characters or avatars to speak by syncing their mouth movements with audio. It's useful for educational videos, social media content, or character-based projects. Next is Motion Sync Video. This helps turn static images into moving visuals, adding more life and motion to your content. There's also an Edit Image tool, which allows you to modify generated images directly inside the platform. This means you don't always need separate editing software. For improving quality, OpenArt offers image upscale and video upscale tools. These features help increase resolution and make content look sharper. Another useful option is Image to Prompt. You can upload an image and OpenArt will generate a prompt based on that image. This can be very helpful if you're trying to recreate a style or learn better prompting techniques. And for advanced users, there are options to train custom characters and models, giving you more control over the content you create. The good thing is that all these tools are available in one place, making the workflow much smoother. Now let's create something with OpenArt Director and see how the workflow actually looks. For this example, I'm going to create a short cinematic coffee commercial. I chose this idea because it's simple, realistic, and a good way to test how well the AI understands prompts. First, I'll open the video section. Here I'll select text with reference so I can use reference images to keep the style consistent throughout the video. Next, I'll choose the Kling 3.0 Omni model. There are plenty of video models available here, including Seedance 2.0, Seedance Mini, Pixverse, Veo, One, Happy Horse, and many more. The nice thing is that everything is available in one place, so you can easily compare different models without switching platforms. Now let's enter our prompt. Prompt a customer enjoying a cup of coffee near a window while it's raining outside, shallow depth of field, warm cinematic mood, realistic photography. For the output settings, I'll use aspect ratio 16:9, duration 5 seconds, resolution 720p. These settings are perfect for a quick YouTube demo while keeping the credit cost lower. Now I'll click generate and wait for the result. The final video looks really good. The lighting feels natural, the motion is smooth, and the cinematic mood matches the prompt very well. With a few prompt changes, you can easily create different styles and scenes. Now let's create the images that we'll use as references. I'll switch over to the image generator. For this example, I'm using GPT Image 2, although OpenArt also provides access to many other image models like Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Recraft V4, Grok Imagine, Seedream 1, and more. Again, having all these models inside one dashboard makes it easy to experiment and compare results. I'll use this prompt. Prompt 1, a cozy coffee shop on a rainy evening, warm lighting, a barista preparing fresh coffee, cinematic camera movement, realistic style. And for another image, prompt 2, a customer enjoying a cup of coffee near a window while it's raining outside, shallow depth of field, warm cinematic mood, realistic photography. For the settings, aspect ratio 1:1, resolution 1K, quality low. I'm choosing low quality because it's faster and costs fewer credits. If you're creating final production images, you can switch to high quality for better results. Now let's generate the images. The outputs look clean and realistic. The lighting, colors, and overall cinematic style are exactly what I wanted. These images also work really well as reference images for video generation. Another feature I wanted to show is the new character builder. This is useful if you want to keep the same character consistent across multiple images and videos. I'll click Create Character and choose Build Your Character. The process is very simple. Step 1, Look Vibe. I'll choose Vintage Glam because it gives the character a stylish cinematic appearance. Step 2, Gender. I'll select Male. Step 3, Ethnicity. I'll choose Caucasian. Step 4, Age. I'll select Young Adult. Finally, I'll add a short description. Character prompt: a stylish young man with short brown hair, light beard, wearing a modern black jacket, confident smile, realistic cinematic portrait. Now I'll click Generate. Within a few moments, OpenArt creates a reusable character that can be used across future images and videos, making it much easier to maintain a consistent look throughout your project. After trying the image generator, video generator, and character builder, one thing really stands out. Instead of opening separate AI websites for images, videos, editing, and characters, OpenArt brings everything together in one place. I also like that it gives you access to a wide range of AI models. You can test different models, compare the results, and simply use whichever one works best for your project. That makes the creative workflow much faster and much more convenient. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, ads, short films, or social media content, having all these AI tools under one dashboard is a big advantage.